was fascinating, and I really liked the way that you structured the first 4 conversations. I think that added a lot to the analysis. I want to complicate the picture in 2 ways. One, when you talk about textual canonicity, obviously I identify with that, but as I think Shauna was saying, textual canonicity can have many different kinds of effects. The way that, and this is a point that Robert was making yesterday also, or at some point, the way that different religions relate to textual canons can be very different, and therefore, I think there needs to be more in the way of explanation of why a particular kind of relationship to the text develops within Jewish tradition. The American model is obviously an interesting comparison. Other religions are also interesting comparisons. And effectively, textual interpretation becomes one kind of rationale in and of itself. And in fact, it's sometimes referred to that way in American law. The second point is, I think it's a little too simplistic to say that it starts post-biblical, because even in the Bible itself, you have laws that are explained in multiple ways, some of which could be seen as more rational or maybe moral is the right word than the other, right? How many reasons do we have for Shabbat within Tanakh? So the fact that even within Tanakh we have multiple rationales shows, right, you have the commemorate 6 days of creation, to commemorate the Exodus, and so that your slaves and animals can rest. So there are already, you have, within the Bible itself, a kind of tug of war about what makes this a rational law.
Yeah, so